wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cooking utensils. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. All the tools in the Rachael soft grip are BPA free, won't warp or deteriorate in the dishwasher, and have attractive steel accents, giving them a modern and stylish look. Since they are made from nylon, they're ideal for use in non-stick cookware. They rarely get stained from food, however they will melt if left on hot pans, and they seem a bit overpriced. At number 9, the Cuisinart Curve features 7 of the most essential kitchen tools, all with soft grips and slip-resistant ergonomic handles. They're conveniently designed to lie flat on a counter without rolling away and making a mess. They come with a storage crock and are safe for Teflon pans, but they are a bit flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the tools in the miusco 5-piece have a very modern look with their solid acacia wood handles and grey silicone tips. The set includes only the most basic of kitchen equipment, but the price reflects that, and they are all high quality. They feel well balanced in the hand and have naturally antibacterial handles. However, they must be hand washed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking utensils, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, add a pop of color to your kitchen with the vremi non-stick with their vibrant rainbow colored hues. They're sturdy, heat-resistant, and made of BPA-free materials, and the handles all have holes for hanging them up and out of your way. They also feature finger grips on the handles and are made of food-grade nylon. They come in at a budget-friendly price too. Moving up our list to number 6. The Starpack Home Silicone comes in cherry red, teal blue, or a deep black color, so you can express yourself in your kitchen. They can withstand temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and are backed by a 100% refund or replacement guarantee should you not be completely satisfied. They're free of harmful BPAs and come with a 101 cooking tips PDF. They're a one-piece construction. Halfway up our list at number 5. The all-clad silver comes with 5 pieces and a caddy, all made from high-quality stainless steel. There's no question it's a bit pricey, but if you don't ever want to have to buy another kitchen tool set, this should be your go-to choice. It features long and easy-to-grip handles, a very classy look and feel, and a polished mirror finish. At number 4, if you're looking for a basic no-frill set, the calphalon nylon is a good choice. The textured soft grip handles are comfortable to hold, and the solid and slotted spoons each have one flat edge for scraping the bottoms of pots and pans. These won't scratch non-stick cookware, and the spatula has a serrated edge. It's all backed by a full lifetime warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Constructed of durable stainless steel with heat-resistant silicone heads, the Culinary Couture Professional includes a turner, 2 spoons, a pasta server, and unlike some other sets, a ladle for soups and stews. Plus, the strainer has cute heart-shaped cutouts. It's available in a variety of colors, with ergonomic non-slip handles and a pasta recipe ebook. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking utensils, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, it's no surprise that the KitchenAid 17-piece is the perfect starter kit for any home. They've been making reliable kitchen tools for years, and this set is no exception. In addition to common items like spoons and spatulas, it also includes measuring spoons and cups. Some of the items have hanging holes, and the spatulas feel very sturdy. It's a low cost for the number of pieces. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the OXO Good Grips Everyday comes with 14 different tools, each of which is a true kitchen necessity, so you have every item you could possibly need without any useless junk to clutter your space. Every piece can be stored in the included countertop holder. All the components are dishwasher safe and can withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees, and it even includes a heavy-duty tenderizer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking utensils, or simply click beneath this video.